like, so he thought he was gonna tell me to send him a cash app. He gonna tell me where the truck is. I went to the truck stop and called the police.
Well, you can't hold a truck for rental.
You're gonna get arrested. He's gonna get caught out there eventually. What, you gonna not go home? Oh ass, really? That shit pissed me off. Okay, y'all know I own a trucking transportation company. I had the craziest week ever. A driver basically stole a tractor trailer from me.
Say what?
Well, he was trying to extort me for some money, but I guess he seen how serious it was, and I called the police. And there's some footage from me calling the police. Well, I was driving around Jacksonville. I had some friends to pull me every address this dude ever lived in. Pays to have friends and resources. And long story short, I was driving down the road. I done went to one house, then I went to another house. But on my way, I seen a shiny bumper in a blue truck. That shiny bumper in that blue truck was my truck. I spin around in the middle of the street, and it's in a empty old parking lot. And y'all know, there's some real Bonnie and Clyde, excuse my language, shit that's about to jump off right now. I do not have a CDL, and I don't care who know it, but I'm getting ready to pick my shit up.
She is not playing.
So I'm just gonna show y'all where I'm at. It's my car over there in the Domino's. Hold on, let me clean the camera. There we go. So I'm out here in this parking lot. A man over there in that building, I don't know if I can zoom in, watching me, but I'm watching him.
I see you.
And this is what happened. So long story short, Babygirl _ Florida. This the tractor trailer. One of my new trucks, older posts. You can see that I bought a new truck, but I'm about to drive this thing. So I don't just drive or ride big wheel motorcycles. I'm about to drive this tractor trailer. Safety first step. Put my seatbelt on. And y'all can see my lip gloss popping.
What you know about me? What you know?
So I'm about to drive this tractor trailer. I'm gonna put this phone in this cup holder. Ooh. And y'all get ready. This is probably about to be funny, but this is what it is. All right. Pressure's high enough. I got enough fuel. Okay. First is back here. And we out. There you go, that's right. You see a girl driving that big thing. Skirt. A little bit bigger than my big mama, but she. Oh, I think I'm going first. Oh, it's first back here, not where I thought it was. Damn, the light turned red. I gotta start all over. Truck driving school 101! This shit is hilarious. So if anybody understands how a stick works, I'm trying to go into first, but my clutch was engaging, which means it's still spinning. Come on, baby.
One hour later.
She on the high side now, she gone. Shit, gotta start all over again. Alright. Got my blinkers on. And a ton of cars behind me. What a adventure. Alright, y'all. This has truly been an adventure. Thrown in there. Woo! Fighting this damn thing. Babygirl_Florida don't just ride motorcycles, she drive tractor trailers. You name it, she can drive it, she can do it. Hit your girl up. And she don't play. Hit me with that bullshit. But on a serious note, I am very thankful that I found it. You know what? I wonder if I can start off. I think I can on the high side. Tim, you can be proud of me on this one. Let's go try this. I'm bobtailing. So I'm not pulling any weight. Therefore, I should be able to take off in a higher gear because I don't need to be in a lower gear ratio to pull the weight. I don't have any trailer or anything. So that's my rationale on why I'm getting ready to take off on the high side, because I want to go faster, quicker, because I'm tired of bouncing. So y'all pray for me and see what happens. It works. Just so y'all know, I'm on an adventure by myself. I guess real G's really do move in silence, alone. Today, after I got on the road looking for my tractor trailer, and I found it. Thank you, Jesus.
Hallelujah.
I'm driving like a pro. I probably could take the blinkers off. That girl go. I have tickled myself. Special thank you out to my sister, Ronell McGill, for doing your investigative work. Y'all are awesome. We found that thing. So today, something good did happen. But it's getting dark. So I gotta park my truck, go back and get my car, and I'll be back. Okay, now I made it to a small truck stop. I gotta go pee. Then I'm gonna call an Uber, go back and get my car, and I'll figure it out from there. Haven't gotten that far yet, one thing at a time. So at least I found my truck. That's part of the battle. And now I'm getting ready to go in the store and pee. Got my cup, see if I can get that icy too. This deserves an icy and like some pizza or something fattening, but I deserve this. Today has been an adventure.